Your vocabulary can enhance your communication skills and make you a more effective and expressive writer and speaker. Here are some tips to help you improve your vocabulary. Number one, read widely. Expose yourself to various texts such as fiction, non-fiction, newspapers, and magazines as you read. Make a note of unfamiliar words and look them up. Number two, keep a vocabulary notebook. Write down new words you encounter and their meanings. Review the notebook regularly to enforce your learning. Number three, use flashcards. Create flashcards with words on one side and their meanings on the other side. Quiz yourself by covering the answer and trying to recall the definition. Number four, learn prefixes, suffixes, and roots. Many words share common prefixes, suffixes, and roots. Learning these can help you decipher unfamiliar words. Number 5. Play word games. Engage in games to make learning vocabulary fun and interactive. Number 6. Listen to audiobooks. Hearing words in context can help you remember them better. Number 7. Subscribe to Word of the Day services. These services offer a daily word with its definition and usage examples. Number 8. Practice active recall. Instead of simply passively reading or listening, actively try to recall the meanings of words you have learned. Number 9. Learn from context. When you encounter an unfamiliar word, try to figure out its meanings from the surrounding context. Number 10. Make it a habit. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day to learn and review new words. Remember, improving your vocabulary takes time and practice. Stay consistent and you will progress over time. Take care.